What stage are we at with the case right now?
Right now, we're in the discovery phase. So what happened early on was we had 8 days after the passing of her husband, Nikki was served with this lawsuit. There was a temporary restraining order and injunction hearing that we had, which is by far the longest hearing we've ever had for a TRO. So we went through that, and we filed our response. We're now in the discovery phase. What happens after that is fully expect motions for summary judgments to be filed, and that will be none of these cases previously have ever made it past the motion for summary judgment phase. The only thing that you have to create in a motion for summary judgment in order for it to go to trial is a fact question. So let's say in another case, to be an easier, some sort of contract where you disagree with the other side what the terminology means in a certain portion of the contract. That creates a fact question for the jury, then it has to pass by and go to the jury. None of these cases have made it past that. So that's where it's going to be. There'll be a hearing on that. There'll be arguments on both sides. And then there'll be a ruling by the court. And then we'll know from that point whether that is going to a jury, or if it's ruled upon and basically disposed of by the trial court at that time, then we'll file our appeal. So that's where it's at. It's a little bit limbo, it's a little bit quiet right now, but as soon as that's over, when those are filed, that'll be 21 days from the date of filing for the hearing. Things will ramp up rather quickly.
So what kind of timeline are you looking at?
Before the end of the year, possibly. Sorry.
Yeah, before the end of the year, we'll know whether or not we're going to get a jury trial or whether or not we're going to have to appeal it.
Right.